Tired of wrestling with a tangled mess of hoses and attachments every time you need to clean? Does the mere mention of vacuuming leave you yearning for a Netflix marathon instead? Well, fret no more, cleaning warriors, or should we say, weary warriors. Today, we delve into the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac, a contender in the cleaning arena that promises to be your multitasking cleaning champion, not your least favorite chore. Is it all sunshine and spotless floors, or are there hidden dust bunnies lurking beneath the surface? Let's grab our metaphorical rubber gloves and dive in. Unstoppable suction and capacity for efficient cleaning. The VEVOR Wet Dry Vac prioritizes efficiency for everyday cleaning tasks. The 2.5 peak HP motor offers powerful suction, making it effective in picking up dirt, debris, and even liquids. Despite the power, user reviews mention the noise level being relatively quiet during operation. The 2.6-gallon capacity allows you to clean a significant area before needing to empty the canister, minimizing interruptions during your cleaning routine. This combination of suction and capacity makes the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac a suitable option for most everyday cleaning jobs. 3-in-1 functionality and blowing function. Versatility on a budget. The VEVOR Wet Dry Vac goes beyond basic vacuuming. It comes with 3 different nozzles, a 2-in-1 utility nozzle, a deluxe car nozzle, and a 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. These attachments allow you to tackle various cleaning tasks. The utility nozzle can handle dry debris and liquids, while the car nozzle is ideal for cleaning upholstery and tight spaces in your car. The crevice nozzle helps reach dust and dirt in corners or crevices. Additionally, the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac features a blowing function, allowing you to clear leaves from your garden or remove dust from hard-to-reach areas. This versatility makes it a single machine suited for multiple cleaning scenarios. Washable filters and security features, cleanliness and reliability. The VEVOR Wet Dry Vac prioritizes clean air and user safety. It utilizes a washable cloth filter for dry cleaning and a foam filter for wet cleaning tasks. Both filters are reusable and washable, saving you money on replacements and minimizing waste. These filters capture debris, preventing dust particles from recirculating back into the air, which is beneficial for allergy sufferers and anyone concerned about air quality. Safety features include a secure hose connection that prevents it from detaching during operation. 4 universal wheels ensure smooth movement, while latches firmly lock the bucket to prevent debris from scattering. Additionally, the onboard storage for accessories simplifies organization and transportation. A few considerations before you buy. Potential limitations. While the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac offers a compelling feature set for its price, it's essential to consider some potential limitations. The 2.6-gallon capacity might be limiting for very large spaces or extensive cleaning projects. For heavy-duty cleaning tasks or large areas, a bigger capacity vacuum might be more suitable. Additionally, some user reviews mention the overall build quality feeling a bit lightweight compared to some higher-end models. The verdict: a budget-friendly all-rounder for everyday cleaning. Overall, the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac is a solid option for budget-conscious individuals seeking a versatile and functional vacuum cleaner for everyday cleaning tasks. The powerful suction, 2.6-gallon capacity, and wet-dry capabilities make it effective for cleaning floors, upholstery, in cars, and even tackling small spills. The 3-in-1 functionality with various nozzles and the blowing function add to its versatility. Washable filters and safety features showcase a focus on user-friendliness. While the capacity and build quality might be limitations for some, the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac offers a compelling value proposition for its functionality and affordability. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly solution for everyday cleaning needs, then the VEVOR Wet Dry Vac is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.